Right, what I want you to notice is temperature increase. So the cooler stars are located on this side of the diagram, and it would be read literally from left to right. So cooler stars here. As you move across the diagram in this direction, the hottest stars are on this end. So hottest. So literally all the way across. Cooler stars, hotter stars. Cooler stars, hotter stars. And the brightness goes from the bottom to the top, meaning here are the dimmest stars. And they're going to increase till they become increasingly brighter. Okay? So coolest to hottest, dimmest to brightest. Also, when looking at the names of these stars, I want you to note that giants are smaller than supergiants. So supergiants are the largest, meaning the stars already started out quite sizable, and then when they expanded, they became supergiants. Our star, the sun, is not that big comparatively to other stars, so our star, the sun, will not become a supergiant. It will only become a giant, but obviously these are bigger than main sequence, right? Main sequence stars are the living stars. They are doing hydrogen fusion still, and they are, even though they are converting some heavier elements, they are not dying off yet. So if you remember the life cycle of the stars, they get born, so to speak, and they're on the main sequence until they begin to fuse heavier and heavier in elements. Then they start to expand. Depending on their original size, they will become a giant or a supergiant. And then once a giant dies off, it becomes a white dwarf. And similarly later, a black dwarf, which we don't even see anymore because they have lost all their light. So supergiants are the biggest. Giants are a little bit smaller than supergiants. They're still bigger than the main sequence stars. The white dwarfs, as the term dwarf indicates, are the very smallest of stars. I don't even know if that worked. Where is it? I'm so done with this bullshit. That's the first one, and this one. All right, can you delete all?